Unit 1. We learn about another symbol called slur. If you see the smiley face connect with all different kind of notes from line to space, then you connect it as one phrase, which is one sentence. It means it's like when you talk and connect it from one sound to the other without breaking. So for example, this little river, so the start of the sentence is little river flowing underneath the bridge, and then you finish by taking a breath, lift your wrist off gently. So it's like similar to when you breathe. When you do the slur, make sure you feel your finger not lifting before the next key going up. One key at a time, it means one finger at a time. It's like when you walk, one step at a time. And you feel it's connected. Let's start from little river, C 5 finger scales. Start from right hand, C. C, D, E, F, G, F, E, D, C, D, E. Lift your wrist off. Left hand, start from G all the way down to C, all the way up to G, go down by one, then lift your wrist off. When you play with teacher's duet, you move your hand higher. Little river